स्पीकर सर, एमआईएम फ्लोर लीडर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब ने कुछ चीजें ये इंक्वायरी कमीशन रिपोर्ट में जो लिखा है, सरकार ये रिपोर्ट जो टेबल किए, जो चर्चा के लिए हम मौका दिए, उन्हें समझने में कुछ गलतफहमी हो गए। क्योंकि मैं सुन रहा था अकबर साहब कुछ सुझाव देंगे, हम लोग सुनकर सबका सोच क्या है, क्योंकि बहुत अहम मुद्दा ये तेलंगाना आंदोलन, तेलंगाना राज्य ने हासिल किया पानी के वजह से। ये पानी सोने से भी बहुत कीमती है तेलंगाना में। वो पानी के नाम पे जिसने लूटा है इस राज्य को, 1 लाख करोड़ रुपए जिसने लूटा है, उसके बारे में चर्चा होने के बाद हुकूमत कैसे चलाना, हुकूमत ला लिए हमको और कांग्रेस पार्टी को कहीं से सीखने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है। हम इतना प्लेटफॉर्म इसीलिए दिए, सबसे चर्चा करें, सबके सुझाव लेके सरकार एक निर्णय लेने के लिए हम चर्चा पे रखे। निर्णय आप लेने के लिए टेबल नहीं किए ये पूरा कमीशन रिपोर्ट। वी हैव टोल्ड, वी हैव गिवन assurance to 4 crore Telangana people, saying that we have told at the time of election, we wanted to appoint a sitting judge inquiry on this Medigadda, Annaram, Sundilla barrages. We have requested to Telangana High Court to spare one sitting High Court judge. They have refused to appoint a High Court judge. They don't want to spare any High Court judge. Then they have given a suggestion, why don't you take a retired justice? Then Congress Party, government of Telangana has appointed a senior most Supreme Court judge, Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. He has worked combined Andhra Pradesh Chief Justice. He has worked Supreme Court judge. He has worked in Calcutta High Court. Same time, he has worked first Lokpal Commission Chairman. So his integrity, he has addressed Shashikala case, Jayalalitha case. He has given many judgments. Then we have appointed one-man commission, PC Ghosh Commission. He has taken almost 1.5 years time. He has examined everything. अकबर साहब ने ये कह रहा है कि एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट आप नहीं दिए, विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट रिपोर्ट आप नहीं दिए, काग रिपोर्ट आप नहीं दिए, फिर पीसी घोष ने कहां से ये पूरा लेकर कहां से वो रिपोर्ट लिखेगा? सर, Sir, we have given everything. So that is what I wanted to correct your records. Sir, he has referred everything. NDSA report, he has referred vigilance and enforcement report. You go through this. See, Akbar साहब, ये आप पूरा पढ़ो. 600 साहब, नहीं. आपको मैं पेज वाइज दिखाता हूं. He has gone through everything. No, you are absolutely wrong, अकबर साहब. नहीं, आप नहीं, हम सरकार चला रहे, हमें पता है. We have no. You go through this page. You go through 600 and I will give you. नहीं, अरे साहब ये बुक ले लो, सेकंड बुक ले लो. सर आप पूरा देखो, एनडीएसए रिपोर्ट अकबर साहब पूरा पढ़ो. बिना पढ़े आप मत बोलो. नो. अकबर साहब, कभी कभी हम इंसान हैं, कोई भी गलतफहमी हो सकता है. आप मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, मेरा अच्छा दोस्त. ये इसका मतलब ये नहीं है आप विदाउट वेरीफाइंग दिस रिकॉर्ड एंड रिपोर्ट यू कैन नॉट मेक सच टाइप ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स. So let me complete. I'm not yielding, Akbar sahab. I'm not yielding. No. You are scolding like anything. I'm sorry. Absolutely, I'm sorry. I'm not going to yield. You have taken much more than 1 hour. नो नो नो, आप बुक किताब कुछ भी पढ़ो, मगर गलत नहीं बोल सकते आप। नहीं, आप गलत नहीं बोल सकते। आप अगर वो सचमुच रहा तो सर, I have to answer. I am the floor, I am the leader of the house. I have to answer every question. I have to address every member. I have to reply. No. No, 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 you cannot. Huh?
This is what it is saying. Page number 664. आप माइक में देने पे भी बोल रहा हूं।
Akbar Sahab, 656 page number, you go through that page. The Director General, Vigilance and Enforcement submitted interim report on 2/8/2024 and further informed the government through letter dated 38/2/2024 that as directed by the government, it is restricting its inquiry to Medgada barrage only through letter so and so date has placed before. साहब, अकबर साहब, अब हम इंसान है, गलत हो सकता है। आप अरे मैं आपको विथ रेफरेंस पेज नंबर, आई एम कोटिंग पेज नंबर। द कमीशन, द फाइनल रिपोर्ट, डायरेक्टर जनरल विजिलेंस एंड एनफोर्समेंट, मेरगढ़ बैरेज. The government has produced a document mentioned in the list annexed to this said letter. However, it is reported through the said letter that the placement registers of work pertaining to all components. Dam safety report also is there. अरे साहब, अकबर साहब, आप गलत फहमी होगा, नहीं तो झूठ बोलने वाले अगल बगल में बैठकर आपको रिक्वेस्ट किए तो मोहब्बत में, प्यार में, ऐसा कुछ पुराने दोस्ती में कुछ गलत फहमी में मत जाओ। आई एम कोटिंग 658 पेज नंबर. यू टेक दैट बुक रिपोर्ट, वी हैव गिवन हार्ड कॉपी टू अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब, आप काप ले लो. रिपोर्ट ऑफ द नेशनल डैम सेफ्टी अथॉरिटी. Before dealing with the report of the National Dam Safety Authority, it is necessary to refer to the directions of this commission. Sri G. Anil Kumar, Engineering Chief General, wrote letter so and so, committee on 2024, dated 3/6/2024, enclosing therewith interim technical suggestions on the rectification works related to the barrages of the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project based on the site visit observations on 1/6/2024 by expert committee constituted white government memo so and so. The letter reads thus, anent to the reference second cited, and he has given everything. The report includes to the said letter reads thus. साहब, आप पूरा रिपोर्ट पढ़ो। साहब, मैं बोल रहा हूं, मेरा सरकार ने सबमिट किया NDSA report we have given to commission, NDSA report we have given, vigilance and enforcement report to the commission, and CAG report I have submitted, officially we have submitted. Page, साहब मैं पढ़ के दिखा रहा हूं, मैं आपको झूठ बोलने का सर
अकबर जी,
just I will read out.
अकबर जी प्लीज आप बैठिए। लीडर आप बात करने के बाद आपको टाइम देता हूं, बैठिए आप।
अकबर साहब, आप 1 घंटा बोले तो भी हम कुछ नहीं बोले। 60-70 मिनट आप वन साइड आप जो बोलना था आप बोल दिया, हम कुछ नहीं बोले। मगर जो फैक्ट्स को आप गलत दिखाए तो मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि पेज नंबर 646, report of the Comptroller Auditor General of India. This report is prepared for submission to the Governor under Article 151 of the Constitution of India for being laid before legislature of the state. The preface to report 1 of 2024 read thus. This report pertaining to the state of Telangana has been prepared for submission to the Governor under Article 151 of the Constitution of India for being laid before legislature of the state. There is a complete report is there. I don't want to waste your time. So I would request, you have to understand, this report is comprehensively the commission has submitted. This is inquiry commission. He has not adjudicated, he is not judge of this case. He is the commission, say one-man commission. This is the inquiry commission. It is appointed under inquiry commission. He has recommended everything, he has taken into consideration every report, NDSA report, Vigilance and Enforcement Department has submitted everything to the commission. Not only that, they have called civil society, they have called experts, they have called everyone, they have taken into consideration everyone's report plea. So my point is that commission has recommended certain things. They have found fault with political executives, executive officers, technical experts and agencies. Finally, he has said that recovery certain amounts, take action against to some of the agencies and put some criminal cases. Who has misled the commission? They have suppressed certain facts. Based on that suppression of certain facts, he has given direction to take criminal action against those people. The entire report is here. Now my government is tabled this report. We are asking your suggestions, not your decision. If you wanted to suggest, you can suggest. If you are not going to suggest also, we don't mind. Government is going to take a decision on this report. We will take a stringent action against all these corrupt people. I am going to take a decision. I am here to take a decision. I am not here to sitting just like that. I am the leader of the house. I know how to run the house. I know how to take a decisions in appropriate time. Thank you, Akbar Sahab.